Come see how police for inside Imo State take go collect up to 1 million for inside this our brother handle. No be small thing. They come catch am. They say that him be the member of ESN and a member of IPOB. For only comment wey they see for him phone, na so they take carry am. My people, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebenekweziokwu still dey here, they bring you update back to back as e dey hot. If you know say you never give the channel a follow, may you quickly do so that you go to get our update back to back as e dey hot. This thing na the continuation of the former video wey we don bring come up here today. He say e get wetin forget wey still happen wey wan bring to Biafrans, to youth wey dey for Aligbo, for wey dey for southeast, wey dey for Imo State especially. Make dem know wetin dey happen o. He say as they come start your phone, come see something wey be like Biafra something, na so the thing come become problem o. They say they go buy am. End of the day, they come collect 1 million for the guy hand. Well, I go play you this voice and video where our brother bring come. Say see wetin dey go on. May una hear wetin dey happen for inside Imo State. Let's listen and very very careful together so that we'll come back and talk about that.
This is the part 2, the ending of the voice note, the ending part of the voice note, so that then we now know how to tackle.
I forgot why they are threatening me that they will kill me and tag me IPOB if I don't give them money. They were having some flag there. They have some incriminating items like all these jigida, something they showed me. That moment I was shivering. They showed me say if I don't give them money, that they will kill me and label me IPOB, snap me and post me on the internet. So I guess that these people are having those things, and I think they're actually killing people, or either they are using it to kind of put fear in people, which you know that most of us sees it going on. When you see somebody on the internet trending, you see some Biafran flag on the person and some other items, and they are calling the person unknown gunman or ESM member. So most of them, when I saw those things and all of the things they were saying to my head, I felt like I was dying already. Knowing that I don't even know where they are taking me to. I don't even know what my fate could be.
Okay.
Hence that a lot of things has happened already in the state as I had, and also get some history of somebody I know that they just took, and the family brought him from later found him at the mortuary, FMC mortuary. So all of those things, I don't feel like, allowing them to molest me anymore. So I quickly made that call and I loaned that money. So as it is now, me I no get 1 naira. As it is now, that money was meant for a different project. So I loaned it and I have to siphon myself to pay part of it and still owe it as it is now. People are back home for Christmas. I no go because I can't even afford transport.
Oh.
I just day my day. So the whole thing is so funny that the state turns to be like that. The police that is meant to protect lives and property are the one chopping their heads off, either by financial way of collecting money from them or even killing them. If police can threaten a citizen of killing and labeling him an IPOB member, everybody knows that they have made IPOB an outlawed organization. So nobody will want to hear that he will be killed and label him IPOB. When I know I don't belong to anything, I'm an innocent person that was working on. So that was the whole stigma that they came with. And I don't really know if they would have spared me if I didn't give them that money.
Okay.
So that was it.
Okay, one name. Umunne m na anola kpọmkwem site n'ọnụ nwanne anyị nwoke onye Anambra si Owerri na-aga Onitsha. Ka o si Onitsha na-aga Owerri na-aga Aba, yes. you know, pụtazia na ọgba akụ here. Ndị polisi anọ na agba akụ. Ndị ka na-ebu boss imo. Tinted boss imo. O nwere ndị na-ebu tinted boss imo. Asị na ha wụ ndị crack. Unu anụ n'akụkọ nwanne anyị nwoke kọrọ. Na otu ha siri kporocha ma flag Biafra ma ntani Morokoto wee juo nga ahụ. Threat na this boy may intimidate na pịa 1 million. Narị ya phone na asachi phone ye. Ekwuru m ihe si ya na ndị police enwere n'Imo State are highly indisciplined. Many of them had very indisciplined. They don't respect the CP. They don't respect the police hierarchy. They don't respect the senior police officers in this state. They don't even respect the IG. How many times can the police say, how many times can the Inspector General of Police and the CP of Police, senior police, stop going through people's phones? Stop violating their privacy. Yeah? Gana WhatsApp here. Of course, because him on Igbo. There is no way you get that type on WhatsApp here and I get type of Biafra. I get happy who messages. More who broadcast Kano, more broadcast Simon Eba. There is no way. Gana WhatsApp on mother type of Biafra. Type on a handegi, Kaimama handegorapota. More get type on hampage, Kaimama hampagorapota. This is just a way of intimidating people. Just say Ehoro Biafra. Ehoro Biafra don't deal with them here. Because when you do this guys, India Hanasibo, also don't deal. You won't know the police in Dibo, or hand them again. One nego Nibo, gain up 1 million. Yet a Biego, Bia 1 million. Ometo Hugilop. Ometo Hugilop, check up on Goko. Yes, they go to police. Check up on Quago, police in Aro. 1 million naira madu. 1 million. Okago bi. Genapu. Dimbi begi. Moki begi tagaho. Now this kind of hard economy. Genap ya 1 million. Ijaba Christmas. Chileke Bogoko. Iga. You will die. You will die shamefully. I'm telling you. Ome unizo meno. Mokodo bi begi tagaho where? Tagaho. He may call, send the other 1 million. 1 million for another project. Now then, he's paying back the money. Then he's paying back the money. He should have Erugaru police. Erugaru police. You see at times when things happen to you people, this is the kind of people. The police are hard job. You paint the police police work. You paint it black with this kind of attitude. G0vt. Napo onyi we begi. Okro bi begi taga ho where? Napia 1 million. Napia 1 million. Iga I'm telling you. You go die. So you guys, so you get trace you I get trace you after all you boss him okibu. Tinted boss him or he began now na London na puego. When you get Chineke get trace sigi. Chineke, Chukwu Kikabia na get trace sigi. Chineke get boogie. Obinigwe get boogie. Iga one we here. That is how you will die. Get up one negi won't we beg 1 million naira. Never go to police. Kaide Jenubi Kajinaka. Ihe onye metere n'ụwa. Ọ ga-akwụ ụgwọ ya. Ihe ọwụli metere n'ụwa. Ị ga-eri ụgwọ ọrụ ya. Gị rụọ mma, ị ga-erie. Gị rụọ njọ, ị ga-erie. Otu ọwụli isi rụọ ọrụ gị n'ụwa. Onye ọsọrọ gị wụrụ. No matter how you do your work in this life, you must to get your payment. Chileke ga-akwụ gị ụgwọ ya. I'm telling you the truth. You know how I'm now. You know, 1 million. Get another 500,000. Get another 300,000. You show him the pain you are causing people. You show him the frustration you are causing people. You show him the depression you are causing people. You him you get that money. Ugly him, you get that money. And you leg here. Man, he carry gaho. Gabianandogo. He carry gaho. Gabianandogo. You might be watching this video. Take it from me direct. Ihe carry guy here na 1 million here na this guy. Ihe carry 1 million ga biara gị. To God, who made me and you. Me ihe carry 1 million abia hore gị. Gopo m na mmadu. Gopo Chukwu okike abia manachi. Ihe carry 1 million ga biara gị. For you to take away 1 million naira from a suffering young man like you, a suffering Igbo man like you, a suffering Igbo youth like you, gain up your 1 million naira. Because you don't go to police. The commissioner for police should look into this matter. The other time, Sienna, Anyama Sienna was an official vehicle in the police. Unmarked Sienna. Give him the police, Hebrew Sienna, na bare. Amama Sienna, is it part of the official vehicle for police? Here I am police in the jar or hillocks. Manubu age is the Sienna, age is the boss man. Commissioner for police, look into this matter. Look into this matter. Bring these people to justice. You can track them, sir. If you want to track these people, you can track them. The date is not there. December 28th. You can track them, sir. So badro, can I ganu be kajina akad?
If you dey for Imo State, may you shine your eyes for wetin dey happen and be very very careful because a lot of things dey go on as we dey talk now. My people, may you wanna be very very careful because Imo State, a lot of we don get a lot of report for this kind of thing wey dey happen. The one wey dey bring us say see wetin dey do, see wetin dey do, and all those people dey be innocent. They just dey collect money for their hand. If those boys come turn to the real unknown gun men tomorrow, they come dey shout oh they are killing police officer of the duty, this one and that one. We be say now they treat people like say they be nothing. Una know they see them people wey go come and analyze the story. He jealous say he dey watch. Tomorrow he go carry seat come dey analyze the story how police say they do how. What of these people wey they carry they collect innocent people, even people wey be say we know them but today they say complain say see wetin dey happen end of the day they go collect money for their hand. Una no go stand up go condemn am. No be small thing. However, my people, may una share this video and make sure say you dey follow this page for more updates as e dey hot. We still dey here dey bring updates back to back. May you leave your own opinion for inside comment section and share the video so that a lot of people go get this information and know wetin dey go on and also talk about it as well. Okay my people, we go quickly see you for the next update as e dey hot.